So, interesting start to things today. I couldn't find any other ride other than this, so this is how I'm going downtown. Hanging off the back of this red taxi, because we have bumper-to-bumper traffic in all directions. It's a nice breeze, much better than being inside.
Okay.
Good ride. Thank you. I actually stopped for a quick meal right after I got off the red taxi because I was so hungry. And I missed the entire sunset. So there we go. How not to be a good filmmaker. Now I'm just trying to find my way toward like the center of the action. It's maybe down this road, or maybe I'm going completely the wrong way. I should check my map. Back to the main road. Lots of tourists, lots of activity, lots of diesel fumes. My friend Sean.
What's up, guys?
Sean, where are you from?
I am from San Jose, California, and now I live here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is super alive during this time, so I think out of all the times I come to Chiang Mai, this is probably the best time to be here.
The festival is basically all about letting go of bad stuff from the previous year. So you put the boat in the water and you let everything go when you release the boat. And also you're paying honor to the goddess of the water. So it's kind of two things. You're paying the honor and you're letting go of bad stuff. And then the lanterns that everybody's putting in the sky, the sky lanterns, those are a separate festival that's all about the full moon. That's the Yi Peng festival. And that festival and the Loy Krathong just happen to be observed at the same time, but they're not really the same thing.
We're gonna try to make it out to the middle of the bridge and get some shots of the lanterns, but yeah, it's pretty packed.
It's really stressful. This is what you don't see in those Instagram pictures. This is amazing. Woo! You don't even have to pay for this ride. Oh, sorry.
I don't know, it's just too nuts.
Maybe I'll find you a bit later then.
Yeah, maybe we'll catch up later.
Okay.
Good luck, man.
All right. See you later, quitter. I lost my phone, or somebody stole it. I'm not sure which, but when I was in that crowd, I was having a great time. Oh. Okay, I was in the middle of feeling sorry for myself, and then that happened. But yeah, my phone's gone, and I'm pretty sure it was stolen because somebody was probably just watching me, getting distracted by the event, and then they reached in my pocket, boom, pulled out the phone, and I didn't notice until they were safely gone. But it's still going, people are still having a good time, so whatever. I'll get back in the spirit. Look out, look out. Excuse me, sir.
Brandon Lee. Oh my god.
I was about to ask you how you're liking your weebill-s.
Wow. I decided to buy it for your video.
Really?
Yeah, and you know it.
Oh, look at the trader over here with the Ronin SC.
This is better. This is much better.
Much
man.
better?
Yeah.
I don't know yet. Yeah.
Come on. Number 5.
What's up?
What's up? This is my Facebook friend, Tom Brown.
Todd.
Todd Brown.
Oh, man, this is
we go
awesome.
way back.
Way back.
Way
like,
back,
I mean, like A7 R4.
A7, oh shit, R4.
Yeah, it's tight. I love it. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. What's the
Sit
best
next to
thing?
it. The focus, the focus tracking, the nice sweet sound of the shutter. It's so beautiful. It's so creamy.
Hello, my name is Noah Rodriguez. I'm from Mallorca. I'm starting out in filmmaking. Nice to meet you, Brandon Lee.
That's it, I'm tired. It's been a fun night, but oh my god, just too much. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Wish I hadn't lost my phone. Loy Krathong Festival, very beautiful. Just come prepared for crowds. All right, I'll see you in the next vlog.